Welcome. In this video, we write a JavaScript function to count how many times a specific letter appears in a string. This exercise helps strengthen your understanding of string traversal and character comparison. We'll keep it simple, using a loop and a counter. Let's get started and break down how it works. We pass two arguments into our function, a string and a letter to search for. The goal is to count how many times that letter appears in the string. In our example, the letter O appears twice in w3resource.com. Let's explore the code to see how this to perform this task. We initialize a counter and loop through each character in the input string. The at method gives us the character at the current position. If it matches the target letter, we increment our counter. Once the loop ends, we return the final count. The function uses a basic loop and condition to solve the problem. Every character is compared to the specified letter. Each match increases our running count. By the end, we know exactly how many times the letter appeared. Let's look at some test cases. In the second input, the letter A appears 3 times. The function accurately returns the count for any character we search. This makes it reliable and reusable utility. This function is handy for analyzing text, validating formulas, and building frequency counters. It's a great first step towards solving bigger problems, like detecting duplicates or formatting rules. Let's wrap up with a final summary. We have built a clean, beginner-friendly function to count letters in a string. It is efficient and easy to follow, and can be reused across many projects. Try expanding it to be case insensitive or to count all letters at once. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.